welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking again about Sephora. So as you guys know, the Sephora VIB sale is right around the corner. I just posted a recommendations video, which I will link above in case you missed it. But today's video, I thought it would be great timing to come circle back around to a video I posted a few weeks ago, which was about Sephora holiday releases that are worth the money. And in that video, I was talking about different holiday releases that I thought were worth trying out. All right, say hi real quick, and then you can go have Kira help you. Lexi wants to say hi. Go ahead. That's it. She just wants to see. So when I posted that video, I had to cut it down because I didn't want it to be too long, but there were a lot of other products that I really wanted to mention. So, and there's been more products, even more holiday releases that have come out since then. So I thought it would be a good time to do a part two. So this is specifically talking about holiday sets, but again, it's almost like it's like a part two to the recommendations as well, because these are products I think would be great things to pick up during the Sephora VIB sale. As you guys know, rouges get 20% off. I think it's 15% for everyone else, but I'll have all the information in the description box so you can check it out. Now I am gonna be inserting pictures right about here so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because I don't own any of these products, but I do have a lot to talk about, so let's get started. The first thing that I wanted to mention is from Dr. Jart. This is called the Superheroes Skin Transformers. It's $52, but you get a lot of product in here, and I love skincare from Dr. Jart. I have tried quite a few things that I have like become favorites and things that I've mentioned actually in recommendation videos before. In this kit, you do get the Premium Beauty Balm, which is one of my favorite BB creams of all time. I love that BB cream. If you have very dry skin, you're gonna love this set because it also has the ceramidin in there, and I feel like I say this wrong all the time, but I think it's called the Cicapair or Chicapair, which is really great for dry skin as well. It's got like color correcting in there and extra hydrating as well. So there's lots of great products in this little kit. Definitely, I think it's better for dry skin clients, but if you have very dry skin or normal to dry skin, you'd want to check this one out. I think it's a fantastic deal. Next up, you guys, as soon as I saw this photo, I was like, NARS, what are you doing to me? I want this so bad. I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to pick up during the sale, if I'm going to at all. As you guys know, we're about to get our own house, so I'm on such a tight budget. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick anything up, but this is high on my wish list, and it's from NARS. It's called the Hot Tryst Cheek Palette. So the packaging looks gorgeous. It's got that like really like studded, almost like broken glass kind of look to it. And then you get 6 cheek products in here. It looks like 5 blushes and 1 highlighter, I believe, from the picture, or maybe it's 2 highlighters. It's hard to tell on one of them, but it just looks stunning. It's $59. I think that's a fantastic deal for 6 cheek products from NARS. I think that's so good. Ooh, I want it, but I'm trying to hold myself back. But I definitely think this is a great deal if you're interested in some cheek products from NARS. If you've been wanting to try their blushes, this is a great way to try a whole bunch of them all in one little palette, and $60 is not that expensive for a NARS cheek palette. All right, next up, I saw this little kit from Herbivore, and I thought this was super adorable. It's called the Self Love Plus Body Ritual Kit. This one's another one that I really would, if I had the funds like available right now, I would totally buy this. I think it looks super cute. So you get 3 products in here. It's $36. So you're getting the Moroccan Rose Absolute Oil, the Virgin Coconut Oil, and then the Coconut Milk Powder. I have not heard much about these products. I really don't know anything about them, but I just think it's super cute. I think that you can like either use it as a body oil, or you can add it to your bath to add some oil to your bath if you're doing like a soak or something. I think it's meant to be used in a few different ways. Like I said, I haven't heard much about it. I just think it's a super cute set. It actually would make a really good gift as well if you're looking for some holiday gifts. I think this would be a great gift even for people on your list who aren't necessarily as into makeup, because skincare, especially like body care, is something everyone can use. All right, the next thing on my list, I just was super curious about this, and this one is from Wander Beauty. It's called the Wondrous Off Duty Eyeshadow Palette. It's only $25. I have not tried very many products from Wander Beauty, just a few things, some like lip products and mascara and stuff, but I have not tried any of their eyeshadows, so I don't know if the quality is good on this or not. It looks like it's brand new, so it doesn't have any reviews yet on the website. I was just personally intrigued by it, so I thought I would would mention it in this video. This is almost like a wish list and a recommendations in one, because these are just things that caught my eye in the like new release section. Okay, the next thing that I saw that I was really excited about is from Lancome, and this is their Starlight Sparkle Dual Finish Highlighting Palette. You get 3 highlighters in this palette. It's only $39. That's a great deal. I know their full-size highlighters, I want to say, are like $34. I don't know if these are full-size, and I don't know if they're the same formula, but they are called the Dual Effect Powder, which is the same name, so I think that they are. I love that highlighter. I think it's such a gorgeous highlighter. It's very intense. If you don't like an intense highlight, it definitely would not be for you, but I think that they are absolutely stunning. Beautiful formula. So I was very intrigued with that little palette. Next up, the next thing on my list is actually a Sephora Favorites kit. I love looking at the little Sephora Favorites kits. They're such a great value. If you find a kit that has enough products in there that you're interested in trying, or that you know you already love and you want more of, then definitely pick them up because it's such a good value. The only thing that I have a hard time with, a lot of times the kits are the same over and over again, and I'm like, I already have those, I don't need more. So I like to see when they come out with something a little bit new and a little bit different. So this one is called the Scouted by Sephora set. And it's a bunch of different skincare, like little deluxe size samples. It's only $44. Looks like 10 products. I think it's 10 products that come in this set. And the cool thing about this set is these are all products that like Sephora was the first one to carry them. So there are a lot of brands that are either exclusive to Sephora or were at one point exclusive. So you have like Volition, Kapari, Saturday Skin is in there, Pharmacy, Christopher Robin. So quite a few brands, different skincare brands. So if you've been wanting to try some of those more lesser known brands that Sephora carries, this would be a great way to try a bunch of them all in one. Plus, I love buying these kinds of kits because they make great travel products. So I have a big box in my bathroom, and anytime I travel, I can always bring good skincare with me. It might not be what I normally use at home, but at least I know I'm gonna be taking care of my skin when I'm on the go. So I love using these for travel as well, especially when you can get so much for such a great price. Oh, next I wanted to talk about a couple of holiday sets from Sol de Janeiro. So you guys know, in fact I have it right here, I'm gonna grab it. You guys know I love the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I go through these like crazy. I'm so excited, I just got a full-size one from Octoly again, and I'm so happy because I was almost out of that one. That one's like almost gone. I'm scraping the bottom of it. So I love the Boom Boom Cream. I love the way that it smells, and I love the way that it makes my legs look because it just gives like a really beautiful, almost like a perfected look to your skin. Sorry, my lighting keeps changing. There's lots of clouds outside. So it just kind of perfects everything. It does add a little bit of a glow to the skin, and then the scent is just gorgeous. I love it. So anyway, I've been loving this. There's a couple different holiday sets that I was so excited when I saw. The first one is called the Boom Boom Carnival Magic, sorry. And that one comes, I think it's a full size of the Boom Boom Cream and then also a travel size. And then you also get the Brazilian Kiss lip balm. I tried that lip balm. I thought it was okay. It wasn't my favorite, but it was okay. And then you also get the travel size of the body spray, which I haven't tried, but I've heard good things about. And it's only $38. You guys, that's such a great deal. It says it's a $55 value, so I would definitely recommend that. It would make an amazing gift as well if you're looking to gift somebody. And then the other set that I saw is called the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Carnival Extravaganza. This one looks amazing. Now it is a little bit more, it's $59, but you do again get a full size of the Boom Boom Cream. You get the hand cream, which I have, it's in my purse, and again, it's almost gone, and I'm really sad because I love it. And you also get the Shower Play, which is like a body wash. Now the body wash is another product I have tried, and I wasn't in love with it. I thought it was okay. It has the same scent, but it doesn't linger on the skin the way that the scent lingers from the Boom Boom Cream. So it's just kind of like you wash it away and the scent is gone. So for me, I didn't think it was worth the money, but because it comes in the set, I think that's a great deal. And then you also get the body spray. So you get a lot of product in here for that price. Again, it would make a fantastic gift. I love this stuff. I can't rave about it enough. And then one more Boom Boom Cream to talk about from Sol de Janeiro. They came out with their Biggie Boom Boom Cream. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this one here that I have, this full-size one, what is the ounces? It's 8.1 fluid ounces, which is a lot, and this lasted me a long time. The one that they just came out with, this one here, is $75, but you get 16.9 fluid ounces, so it's twice as big as this. I was tempted. That is an amazing price for that much product. So anyway, I definitely, as soon as I saw that, I was so excited that they came out with a larger size, and I definitely wanted to share that with you guys. Okay. I really hope I'm in focus because my camera keeps changing focus since the light keeps changing on me. But next I had to mention just really fast the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray Duo, because this is such a fantastic deal. Now they do come out with it every year, so if you don't need more setting spray, it's not a good deal, but if you are running low, definitely stock up when you can't get the 2-pack. So it is basically you get 2 for $39, and I think it's $30 for one. So you're only paying a few extra dollars to get the second one. So definitely pick that up if you need it. All right, next I saw this really cute little set, so I had to recommend this as well. This would make a great gift for the holidays. It's from Caudalie, and it's the hand cream trio. So you get 3 different scents of the hand cream for $18, and they're great little sizes to just throw in your bag on the go. So I think that would just make a super cute little stocking stuffer, or you know, like a gift for a coworker, that type of item. Totally great deal, $18 plus you get your discount. So definitely wanted to recommend that. Oh my gosh, and the next thing, I saw this and I got so excited. This is another thing that if I had the money, I would be buying for sure. Again, it's from Dr. Jart. This is called the Maskapalooza. Every mask, every concern. This thing is huge. Look at all the stuff you get in there. It's $139, so it is expensive, but the value is really good for how much product you are getting. Let me see. I'm gonna read it really quick, you guys. So it comes with the Hydration Lover Rubber Mask, the Firm Lover Rubber Mask, the Clear Skin Lover Rubber Mask. That's like a tongue twister. It has the Bright Lover Rubber Mask, the Derm Mask Microjet Clearing Solution, Derm Mask Microjet Brightening Solution, Derm Mask Vital Hydra Solution, Derm Mask Firming Solution, Derm Mask Wrinkle Solution, Derm Mask Porecting Solution. That was hard to say. Derm Mask Peeling Solution, Derm Mask Water Jet Soothing Hydra Solution. So those are all sheet masks. And then the Prescriptive Water Replenishment Sheet Mask, Prescriptive Pore Minimalist Sheet Mask. So yeah, it's just like on and on and on. Like there's like 7 more. There's so much in here. I'll have it linked down below so you can read everything that comes in it, but I just feel like it's a really good deal for how much you're getting, and that's a lot of stuff. Now, it is expensive though, so definitely if you're gonna get it during the sale, save some money. Next, from Urban Decay, the Hex Remedy Mini 24/7 Eye Pencil Set. It's $29 and you get 5 of the mini 24/7 Glide On eye pencils. I think this is a really good deal if you don't already own a bunch of these. It has some really good colors in there. You get a vibrant purple, you get a black, you get a kind of a taupey silver color, it looks like, a blue, and then orange. And I think I personally have gotten a lot of these like mini sizes from Urban Decay before, and they last such a long time. So if you're wanting to add some new colors to your collection for eyeliners, I think this is a good deal, and I like the formula of these. I think they're really nice eyeliners. Next up, a little set from Drunk Elephant that I was actually really interested in picking up. It is called the Out of Office set. It's only $25, but you just get like 3 little mini sizes in there. And they do look like they're pretty small, but Drunk Elephant is expensive, so it might still be worth trying. It comes with their Lippy Balm. You also get their De-Bronzy, which is something I've been wanting to try. I've heard good things about that. And then their Marula Facial Oil, which Melanie talks about that all the time from Mr. Kong's mom, and I've been wanting to try that as well. So I was thinking about picking this up. Also, it'd make a great stocking stuffer if you have like a skincare lover on your list. That's a good deal. Or if you're like I am, I buy my own stocking stuffer, so you can buy it to stock your own stuffing. Stock your own stuffing. Stock your own stuff. What am I trying to say? Stuff your own stocking. There you go. Oh my God, why was that so hard for me to do? I think I've been filming too long. So next, we're getting close to the end, don't worry guys, I know it's a long one. So next is from Fresh. It's the Mask for Miles set. It's $75, but Fresh skincare is expensive, so it is still a good deal for what you're getting. You do get 4 of the masks in there. So you get the Sugar Face Polish, the Rose Face Mask, the Black Tea, is that the firming one? Yes, I love that one. And then the Lotus. So yes, some really good masks in that set. Again, I think this would make a good gift. And then the last thing that I had on my list is from Hourglass. It's the Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4. So I purchased, let me grab it. I purchased this guy before I realized that there were two. They released two different blush palettes this year. Normally they just come out with one of these little palettes with their cheek products for the holidays. They're $80. This one that I have is the Unlocked palette, but they did also come out with the Edit Volume 4 palette, and that one looks gorgeous as well. I wish I could get both, but I can't. So I do recommend either one depending on which one, like the colors look more inviting to you. So definitely check them both out and decide which one you want, which one. If you're looking at getting one, definitely look at both of them and see which one is more appealing to you. So I did mention this one in my recommendations video since it's something I do already own, but I definitely wanted to mention Edit 4 as well in case you were looking for a different color combination. All right, you guys, so that was a long video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave those down below. I would love to hear, what are you guys planning to pick up during this sale? Like I've already said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be getting anything, but there are definitely a few things on my radar. Most of them I mentioned here in this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe while you are here. We are getting close to that 50K subscriber mark I keep mentioning because we are so close, and I have a giveaway planned for you guys, so stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.